Hello my dear students. Today I am going to discuss a topic from NCERT Class 10 Maths book. The chapter's name is Construction, and the topic that I am going to discuss today is to divide a line segment in a given ratio. So in order to do this one, I am taking one question. The question is, draw a line segment of length 7.6 cm and divide it in the ratio 5:8. So in order to do this type of construction, first we need to draw the line segment whose length is given, and then they have told to divide it in the ratio 5:8. Since the line segment has to be divided in the 5:8 ratio, it means that the total line segment has to be divided into, 5 plus 8, total 13 parts. Out of these 13 parts, 5 parts should be in one side and 8 part should be in other side. Okay, so how to do this type of construction? First, we have to draw the line segment whose length is given. So here it is 7.6 centimeter. 7.6 centimeter. So we have drawn the line segment 7.6 centimeter, and I have given this the name AB. So this line segment AB has to be divided in the ratio 5:8. Means we need some point here in such a manner. Suppose if I take that point to be C, then we have to take it in such a manner that AC is to CB is equal to 5:8. So the process is, now what we have to do is, we have to draw a ray from A, making an acute angle with B. Okay, so from A, I am drawing a ray. This ray has to be a bigger one because it has to be divided into 13 parts. That's why it has to be a longer one. I am giving this the name AX. Okay, see, this is the ray. I have ended it like this, AX. Now I have to locate 13 points. Why 13? Because 5 plus 8 is 13. I have to locate 13 points on this ray such that those segments that will be made by those points will be of equal measure. Okay, so how to take this one? With center A, okay, taking this one as center and a convenient radius, I'm just drawing an arc on AX. Okay, similarly, now taking this one as the center, I will draw another arc, and this one will be continued till we get 13 points. Okay, so we have got 3, then here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here is the 13th one. So we got all these 13 points. So starting from here, I will give them the name A1, A2, A3, A4, 5, 6, this is A13 last. Now what we need to do is, I have to join this A13 with this point B. So we need to join these 2 points. So I'm taking the bigger scale from B to A13. Here is our A13. A13 to B has to be joined. Join this 2 points. Now we have got this A, B, and this is A13. So this is one triangle. Okay, so A, if I consider this one, A, B and A13, this has made one triangle. So you have done in Thales theorem that in a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side, then it divides the other sides also in the same ratio. So here, if I am having A5, if I draw a line parallel to this B A13, then this will divide AB line segment also in the ratio 5:8. So this is the concept that we are using. Okay. So what we are going to do is, I want to make a line which is parallel to A13B through A5. Okay. So we need to draw parallel line from A5. Okay, which is parallel to A13B. And all of you know how to draw parallel lines. So I am taking A13 as the center, any radius according to your convenience, you take any radius. So taking the same radius and changing the center now from A13 to A5. Okay, earlier our center was A13, now our center has shifted to A5, but the radius is same. I have made another arc. Now taking this intersecting point on the ray as the center and radius as this one, means I am drawing an angle. See, this is our radius now. So now taking this point where the arc has intersected the ray as the center and the radius that we have taken now, we will draw another arc which is intersecting the previous arc at some point. Okay, it has intersected. Now that intersecting point has to be joined with A5. Okay, I will just join this A5 and this intersecting point, and then we will draw a line. This line is parallel to this one. Okay, so I will give this name as C. So through A5 I have drawn a line which is parallel to A13B. Okay, which one is? This is our A13B. Okay, through A5 I have drawn this line. So C is the point which is ultimately dividing line segment AB in the ratio 5:8. Now we need to find out what is the length, means you have to measure the length of each part. So I am measuring these two parts. Okay, it's nearly 3. Okay, nearly 3, 2.9, nearly 2.9 or 3, something like that. Okay, so it will be coming like this, and see so, after doing this construction, you'll measure these two parts, and then you have to write the steps of construction also. Okay, the steps of construction I am repeating once again. First, we draw a line segment AB of length 7.6 cm. Through A, we draw a ray AX in such a manner that angle BAX is equal to is an acute angle. Okay, then we are locating